Good morning, children. This is class 4 uh, social studies, and in this video, we are discussing about the uh, responsibilities of a good citizen. Okay, and we are on this point care for public and private places. Okay, so today I am starting this video number 5 from here, page number 23. Okay, now in this paragraph we are going to study about uh, the care of the public property. Okay, now you see, we take care, I am starting from here. We take care of our belongings and of the things at home that belong to our family. Okay, in this line we can see that we take good care of the all the belongings which we have in our home, and all the things, all the belongings, everything which belong to our family. हमारे परिवार की जो जितनी चीज़ें होती हैं उनको हम सब उसकी केयर करते हैं, बिकॉज हमने उनको बनाया होता है, ख़रीदा होता है. वी स्पेंड मनी ऑन दैट, on them. Okay, it is important that we must learn to take care of things that belong to every one of us. Yes, here in this line we are going to, from here till here, we are going to talk about the public property which belong to everyone, the things which belong to everyone, all have the same right. Okay, so in the way as we take good care of our property, family, all the things. For example, we can see here on the previous page that house, two-wheeler, then four-wheeler. Okay, so we take good care of all these things because हमने इन्हें बहुत मेहनत से, बहुत पैसा खर्च करके बनाया होता है. तो वी टेक गुड केयर. हम नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी उसको ख़राब करे. ठीक है, तोड़े या लूटे या ख़राब करे, एनी थिंग. बट इन द सेम वे we should also take care of the public property, means all the things which are made by the government for the use of everyone. Okay, as I told you that the park, public libraries, roads, all the lights on the road. Okay, so these are the railway station, railway bogies, everything. That is, everyone has the right to use them. That is called public property. These does not belong to one person. Okay, we should take care of public property and should not damage it because it is meant for all of us to use. और हमें इसकी गुड केयर करनी चाहिए पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी की. एंड वी शुड नॉट डैमेज, हम उसे डैमेज नहीं करना चाहिए. किसी भी तरह का नुकसान, उसमें तोड़ फोड़ करना, उसको डैमेज करना, उसको डिसफिगर करना, जलाना, बर्निंग कर देना, उसका आग लगा देना, बिकॉज इट इज़ मेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. ये सबके यूज़ के लिए है. सो वी शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट, दैट वी शुड नॉट कॉज एनी डैमेज, एनी हार्म टू द property which is for all of us to use. That is not our private property. Okay, any harm to public property is a loss to all of us and we will have to pay more taxes to repair or replace it. If we cause any harm, for example burning of the buses in roads or in our train, usually stone pelting on these things. Okay, so these all cause harm and loss to the property of the nation, and more money is needed to replace them, because once the thing is damaged or burnt or broken, so to bring new things, the same buses or trains, bogies or anything which is damaged due to the fire, due to the public's behavior, or bad behavior of the public. Okay, so we have to pay. Even this line shows us that the government needs more money to repair them or replace them. या तो उन्हें रिपेयर करती है if it is repairable, or if it is beyond repair, then government has to replace it. They have to bring new things. So only our money which we give in the form of the taxes is used for them, used to buy those new things. Okay, so causing harm to these properties is a harm to us only. We have to pay more taxes. Okay, so we must learn to take care of public properties. We should be very careful. We should not damage, because only they are made or they are bought with our own money, which we pay in form of taxes, okay, to the government time to time. So we must keep in this thing in our mind, that we should not do any harm to the public property. Okay, now we will here study about few public properties. First of all, school property. A school provides facilities that are used by the children and teachers. स्कूल प्रॉपर्टी में क्या होता है? बिल्डिंग होती है, फर्नीचर होता है, ओके, गार्डन है, लेन लॉन होते हैं, गार्डन होता है, सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो वी शुड नॉट स्कूल प्रोवाइड्स फैसिलिटीज़ दैट इज़ फॉर चिल्ड्रन एंड टीचर्स. रूम्स होते हैं, रूम में ब्लैक बोर्ड है, विंडोज़ हैं, डोर्स हैं, सो मैनी वॉल्स. इट इज़ प्रॉपर्टी विच बिलोंग्स टू ऑल ऑफ अस. So this school property belongs to us, means we go there, we get the benefit of that property. It may be of one person owner, or it may be a government property. Okay, two types of हो सकती हैं स्कूल में, but it is a public property, because when we go there to either as a teacher or as a student, it is a public property, because so many people in big number use it at the same time. That is why it is public property. Okay, we should not scribble on school walls. This is especially children, for you, that we means you children, small children or big children also. Scribble means to write something, खरोंच देना उसको अपन किसी sharp object से, or to write with the colors or make them dirty. Okay, scribbling on school wall, or scratch the desk. Scratching also, scratch वही खरोचना जिसको बोलते हैं, कि कंपास से या ब्लेड से या किसी भी ऐसी पॉइंटेड शार्प किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट से उसको स्क्रैच करना है. इट मीन्स यू आर कॉजिंग डैमेज टू दैट फॉर एवर. Always throw the waste or litter in the dustbin, or whatever waste material is coming when you study in the class. So you should always throw the waste material in the dustbin. Okay, you should not throw it here, there, or near your desk, near your chair. Okay, it will make the class dirty. Switch off the fans and lights of the classroom when not in use. Yes, that is another point which is very important, that whenever we go, either you go to the music room, or in the playground, or in the playground in the PT period, or in the break, then the fans and lights of the classroom should be switched off, so that there should be no wastage of electricity. Okay, the playground of the school should be kept clean. And one more thing, when you go in the playground, suppose you go for the in the break time, in the interval, you should not throw anything. After eating from your tiffin, you should not throw anything which is waste of that, either the leftover food, or any wrapper, or anything, any paper wrapper. You should keep your school ground clean, because if you throw all the waste material there, it makes the ground dirty, and the next time you will also not like to go there and play, because you will say, oh, it is so dirty, and someone has to clean it. Okay, so here is a photograph of the I think it is the ground. This is the playground of the school. Okay, this is the photograph of the playground, because all the children are sitting and they are wearing the same uniform. It is the photograph of the school playground. Okay, then we talk about the public parks. Children, you know that the municipality of the municipal committee of the, we can say, make parks for the people. So there is, you see, in the these are called public properties, because everyone has the right to go there to for the walk, for to play, to sit on the grass, or to see the beautiful flowers if they are there, the flowers are grown there. Then that is another type of public property, parks. Okay, now we will see. Here is a photograph of the park on page number 23. You see that this green grass is there. It is near the building, or the colony, we can say, or uh, so many people are here and sitting here and there. Okay, now we will see what is there in this part, page number 23, parks. You must have observed how people of all ages enjoy exercising, walking and playing in the park. Yes, of course we do many type of exercises or physical activities in the park. Some people go there for doing the exercise work, which they like to do in a open space, which they don't want to do in their homes. Okay, then walking also, walk करने के लिए लोग जाते हैं, and playing especially is for little children. Okay, there are flowers, green plants, benches, fountains and swings. ये सभी चीज़ें उसमें होती हैं. फ्लावर्स होते हैं जैसे भी हमने बताया, ग्रीन प्लांट्स होंगे, ग्रीन ग्रास होगी, बेंचेस होती हैं फॉर टू सिट, फॉर टू पीपल टू रिलैक्स. ओके, अगर वो बैठना चाहते हैं तो बेंचेस बनी होती हैं. दे आर मेड ऑफ आइदर ऑफ द सीमेंट और आयरन, मेड ऑफ आयरन, लोहे की होती हैं. फाउंटेन्स भी होते हैं. एंड स्विंग माने झूला, झूले होते हैं झूलने के लिए. इन सम पार्क्स, these all are things are there in the parks. We should walk on the path meant for walking and play in the area meant for playing. हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि अगर वॉकिंग कर रहे हैं तो वी शुड वॉक. अगर उसमें लेन्स बनी हुई हैं, पक्का रास्ता बना हुआ है, तो उन्हीं पे वॉक करना चाहिए, नॉट इन द ग्रास. और प्लेइंग करनी है तो इन द एरिया विच इज़ मेंट फॉर प्लेइंग. तो प्लेइंग, खेलने के लिए जो जगह हो वहाँ पे खेलना चाहिए. ठीक है. वी शुड नॉट प्लक फ्लावर्स एंड डैमेज प्लांट्स. वन मोर थिंग, इफ़ यू गो देयर वी शुड नॉट प्लक, मीन्स प्लक, फूल तोड़ना. अगर इफ़ देयर आर सम ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स ग्रोन इन द पार्क, वी शुड नॉट प्लक देम. उन्हें तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, उन्हें लगा रहने दीजिए. इट इज़ ए ब्यूटीफुल थिंग फॉर एवर, फॉर एवरी वन. ओके. एंड डैमेज प्लांट्स को भी नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए, नोचना चाहिए, उनको किसी तरह का डैमेज पहुंचाना चाहिए कि तोड़ दिया, उनको मसल दिया, तोड़ दिया, उखाड़ दिया, या उखाड़ के उसको घर ले गए. पीपल डू दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स इन द पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी. ओके. ऑलवेज फॉलो द रूल्स इफ़ एनी गिवन. यूजुअली देर इज़ ए बोर्ड इन द पार्क, उसमें कुछ रूल्स लिखे होते हैं, डू दिस दिस दिस, डू नॉट डू दिस वर्क. ओके. सो you must read them and you must follow the rules if they are given there on a board in one corner of the park, okay, or entrance of the park near the gate. We should not throw rubbish or eatables in the park. कोई भी तरह की गंदगी, रबिश मीन्स रैपर, कुछ भी, पील्स ऑफ द फ्रूट्स, इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग, इफ़ यू go there to eat something, or wrapper of any eatable item. Okay. और लेफ़्ट ओवर एडिबल्स, कुछ खा रहे थे, कुछ बचा है, आपने वहीं फेंक दिया. सो दैट विल मेक पार्क डर्टी. ऑल्सो द डॉग्स विल कम टू ईट देम, देन द डॉग विल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर द पीपल. ओके. some birds can also come, like vulture and all. Okay. Always use dustbins. पार्क में भी आप देखिए कि डस्टबिन बने होते हैं, इसीलिए बने होते हैं. some they are kept in the dustbin at some places so that the people, if they want to throw something, any rubbish, anything waste material, they can put it in the dustbin. You should not throw here and there. If there is a dustbin, you must put it in the dustbin. That will not make the park dirty. Some people walk with their pet dogs in the park. कुछ लोग जो होते हैं अपने डॉग्स को वॉक कराने के लिए, घुमाने के लिए, वॉकिंग के लिए, रोमिंग के लिए ले आते हैं. They bring their dogs. Okay. They must bring them on a leash. अगर वो लाते भी हैं तो उनको उन्हें लीश मीन्स ए स्ट्रिप फॉर होल्डिंग डॉग. इट इज़ यूजली मेड ऑफ द लेदर, जिसको बोलते हैं चमड़े का पट्टा होता है, और वो गले में डॉग के डाल देते हैं ताकि, और उसको चेन से अटैच कर देते हैं. दे होल्ड द ओनर ऑफ द डॉग होल्ड्स द चेन, एंड इन दिस वे द डॉग इज़ controlled. Then it will not run here and there after the other people. So the owner must take good care of the dog and always bring them on a leash. मीन्स उनको पट्टा डाल के उसको चेन लगा के तब लाना चाहिए, और अपने संग संग रखना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि फ्री कुछ करके ले आए और उसको, इट इज़ क्रिएटिंग नॉनसेंस इन द पार्क. Running after other people or biting, doing something. Okay, if the dog litters, then the litter should be collected and thrown in the waste bin. If the dog जो है वो किसी तरह का वहाँ पे लिटरिंग करता है, मीन्स कुछ भी निकालता है, कुछ भी गंदा करता है, तो इट शुड बी कलेक्टेड एंड थ्रोन इन द वेस्ट बिन. यानी कि जो भी वहाँ पे डस्टबिन है, वेस्ट बिन जो रखा है, इट शुड बी, बिकॉज if the owner of the dog will leave it like that, it will make the park dirty and it will be a problem with the other people. So as we want the same rules with the other people, we should also follow the same rules for us also, so that the other people are not troubled. All right, children. So we have discussed about 2 points here, about the care of the public property, that was the school property and parks. You can see the photograph here. Okay, so this is enough for today, children. Thank you.